All right, what's up, fam? This is your boy, Built on the Budget, back to you with another live video. Hey, today we're giving you just a small exclusive look of NPD, National Parts Depot. As y'all know that baby girl, the 85 C10, I'm doing a 2-inch cowl hood, and I was fortunate enough to find one at the good people up here in Charlotte, National Parts Depot. And what they're gonna do is allow me to just, do a little segment on the enormity of their warehouse, man. I mean, they got parts for everything. If you need it, they got it. They some friendly people. They business is good, and I think that if you call up here, they'll take care of you. And I got one of the guys that work here. I'm gonna ask him to just give a little something about what it is I'm gonna be showing you in here. What's your name, sir?
My name's Frank. You're inside the warehouse here at NPD in Charlotte, and it's a 75,000 square foot facility. We carry Chevy truck, Mustang, Firebird, Camaros, all that. We carry all that here within this facility. We have almost everything you need to build a vehicle. Besides motor parts, we don't really go into motors. We do the external as far as the outer shell goes, interior parts, all that. Whatever you need, you can call us up, and we usually get it to you one day, provided we have it in stock. If not, we'll let you know how long it takes to do it. We're competitive with everybody. If you have, we try to be the best out there, which I think we are. So I'm gonna let you go around here, and I'll show you around, and we can go look what we got here. You got different aisles, like down this is all Chevy truck right through here. Basically, you got your hoods and just your fenders and your gas tanks and everything. Anything you need, they got that there. Got your individual parts like box parts, small parts on the on the floor. So it's pretty busy all the time. This time of year it gets real busy. We've been super busy. You got doors and Chevy truck doors right there.
And let me say this, fam. Now, I searched all over the world for C10 hoods, and there was nowhere to be found. Called National Depot, National Parts Depot. They had them in stock. Just a little quick drive up into Charlotte, able to pick it up. And once I walked into this warehouse,
there's a 95 Chevy truck right there.
All right, I'm gonna get a picture of this OBS. But come to find out, this place here was always right up under my feet, right here in Charlotte, not too far from it.
It's actually got a cowl hood on it.
And they carry everything you need to build your stuff. And let me show you this OBS they got sitting in the back.
Got a 95 with a cowl. GMC with a cowl hood on it.
That's nice there.
That truck's out of Fayetteville. My brother used to own a car wash in Fayetteville, and that was his car wash.
Right out of the video. I mean, there you have it, fam. I mean, what is it that you need for your bill? You can build it on the budget with NPD, National Parts Depot. Whatever it is you need, they got it. Like I said,
you got all your, that's Ford truck, all through down through there, also all Ford truck stuff. You got, that's all GM right here, GM upholstery, floor pans, anything you want, all GM stuff, Camaros, Chevelles, GTOs, Firebird, all that stuff. That's all through here. That's all these aisles. Then you go down farther, you're gonna get over here to the Mustang. The Mustang, the first generation Mustangs, that's our biggest seller. Everything we got, I think we sell more Mustang parts than we do all the GM put together. And that's just Mustang, it's all Mustang stuff right here.
Well, you see, for y'all Ford people, they say found on the road dead, but they say they will revive your Ford with whatever you need. First gen Mustangs. If you're watching this channel and you're looking for rare parts, you can't find them, body parts and what have you, National Parts Depot. Let me say it again. These people ain't sponsoring me, man. It's just that when you find people that do good business, you want to pass that information on to all of your subscribers. And fam, you know how we do it. If I find something good, I'm gonna let you know about it.
Yeah, that's about it, really. I mean, it's just a big old warehouse full of all the parts you want. As long as if you want to build a car, we got it. We're open 7 days a week, so there's no excuse not to get your parts.
All right.
Every day.
7 days a week.
Every day we're open. Saturday, Sunday, every day.
And I'm gonna tell you, since the pandemic, you find that a lot of places don't stock stuff because they got just a little room in the back. But when you look at this warehouse, they got stuff for days. How you doing, my friend?
How are you?
Doing all right. They got parts for days, and they'll fix you up. So that's just a little quick tour of the National Parts Depot warehouse up here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I put the telephone number and stuff on the screen so you can check it out. Give these people a call and they will fix you up. If they don't have it in stock, they can tell you when they'll get it, but 99% of the stuff, they have it in stock. So hard to find stuff, you found it right here, National Parts Depot.
I appreciate it, y'all. You have a good day.
All right.
God bless you.
Built on the budget. Until the next video,